Alright, how's it going, YouTube? And I wasn't going to film this, but I figured, you know what, somebody out there might be interested. I'm going to turn down this fan just a little bit. It is Sunday and I'm making Sunday dinner. My older boys are here, so quickly what I have in here is a little bit of olive oil, 1 medium sweet onion, 1 green bell pepper, and then I added to this about a pound of ground round. It's 90-10. And then what I did is I went ahead and I washed up 3 zucchini, sliced them in half, kind of scraped out the insides. So that's what this is. This is the insides of a zucchini. So what I'm doing is I'm making kind of like a Mexican stuffed zucchini for dinner instead of Italian, which is what I usually do. So this will be the insides once I get the beef all browned up. I did add some Fiesta Ranch dip to this, and I also added a little bit of extra taco seasoning and some paprika to this. So once this browns up for me, I'm going to go ahead and add 1 pint of home canned black beans to this. I'm also making over here, this is toasted onion rice, also with some Fiesta Ranch mix in it, along with some chives. So that is going to be added to my meat mixture. And then back here I have some home canned pinto beans with some added onion, green chili peppers, garlic, and also some Fiesta Ranch dip added to this as well. This, once this gets all cooked up, this will get the cream cheese added to it. I'll leave a link up above of how I make those so you can see that in a video. But right now I'm just kind of making this stuffing. Over here I have my lasagna dish with my zucchini boats in them. This one kind of broke on me, the end did, so I'll serve that to one of the littles. So it has just crushed tomatoes on the bottom just to prevent it from burning. So to the meat mixture I'm going to be adding some home canned black beans, as well as either a can of tomato paste or some diced tomatoes. I haven't decided yet which one I'm going to use, but I'll bring you back when I add that. So okay, so to this pan now I'm going to go ahead and add a pint of home canned black beans. If you don't can, then go ahead and just use a jar, or can, I mean store-bought. So let me lift you up here so you can see that. I'm just going to get those incorporated so they get heated up. Alright, and when the rice is done, we will add that along with some tomato, either, I don't know, diced tomatoes or tomato paste. And yeah, I kind of just... Nina says it smells delicious. I'm kind of making it up as I go, so feel free to, you know, alter my recipe because that's just how I cook. So alright, I'll bring you back when I add the rice. So our rice is done. I'm going to go ahead and add, right now I'm going to add half of a can of tomato paste, and I'm going to go ahead and add some diced tomatoes to that, about a half a can, just to see what we have here. You can always add more. It's harder to take away. Ask me how I learned that. Right, Matt?
Right. Easy to add, impossible to take away.
Right. Alright, we're going to go ahead and add just a little bit more tomato paste and the rest of the diced tomatoes. And I think that'll be perfect. And I'm kind of not using proper utensils because I used everything that I love this morning for breakfast, so it's all in the dishwasher being washed. Alright, so there's our rice now. I'm going to go ahead and add this to our meat mixture.
Okay.
Alright, so now we're just going to go ahead and add the rice. the meat. And then you give this a good stir. And how much rice you add is up to you. If you don't use it all, you can use it in another recipe or serve it as a side dish.
Oh, that's fantastic. Lots of colors. Great smells.
Now you can, and I was going to omit the beef for Matt and I, but because the older boys are here, I'm adding the ground beef, but you do not have to add the ground beef. You could just make this strictly vegetables if you wanted to. And add just a little bit more rice to this. So you could definitely make this vegetarian if you wanted it. Alright. And there is our mixture for our zucchini boats. Isn't that pretty? Alright, so let me grab the lasagna dish and we'll get them filled.
Yep.
Alright, so now we're going to just take this mixture. I'm just going to...
Okay, hold on one sec. Okay,
Here. Grab this one. Little zucchinis. You can tell when zucchinis aren't really in season. Can't wait till we have our own homegrown zucchinis. Hope I grow massive ones. Alright, and then this little tiny guy here. And then, you know, the stuffing right here, what's left, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to let this cool down and I'm going to freeze this. Put it in the freezer, and then on a Saturday or Sunday for us, I can do stuffed peppers or, again, stuffed zucchinis again, and I won't have to make it. I already have the filling ready to go. So,
fantastic.
There's that. All right, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my crushed tomatoes, and I'm just going to put a little bit on the top. Not much. And then I'm going to put foil over this dish. I'm going to bake this in the oven for about an hour at 375. And then I'm going to take the foil out, probably the last 15 minutes, take the foil off, add cheese. I'm going to add like a Colby Jack or a Mexican cheese blend on the top. And then bake it for the last 15 minutes so the cheese melts. And I'll bring you back when we serve this up, right?
Booyah.
Okay, I forgot to take a video of it. This is what happens when you have a house full of kids and, you know, you're on a time restraint. So there is one lone zucchini boat left. So let me show you. Right, there you go. There is the zucchini boat, and there's Matt about to taste the zucchini boat.
Hey!
And Jake, are you going to take a taste?
What?
Oh.
What?
There's mine, if this camera will focus. And I'm serving it with the Fiesta Ranch beans that I have a video on, and some chips. What do you think?
Really good.
Really good?
Yeah.
Good deal. Kids are eating it.
Zucchini's cooked really well too.
Jake and Luke are eating it.
And me?
Alright.
And Mina?
And Mina. Alright, that's it guys. Really quick video, I know, kind of last minute, but I thought maybe it'll be interesting for somebody out there to help, you know, get another idea of what to do with zucchini. So there you have it. Alright guys, I will be seeing you probably later on this week with another video. Until then, take care.